This is the best option for 2- and 3-door units. First, position the unit as close to its intended location as possible. Remove the front louver and rear grille to unbolt the unit from the pallet. Then pivot the unit until the threaded holes are accessible. While one person stabilizes the unit, lift with the pallet jack, then thread the casters into each corner. When complete, lower the pallet jack. If the unit requires middle casters, use the pallet jack to lift the unit, ensuring both the front and rear rails are resting on the jack. Then thread the casters into the middle slots. Lower the jack to set the equipment back on the floor. With single-door units, 2 people may be able to tip the unit to apply casters. Install casters with brakes first, then activate the brakes while adding the rear casters. Always place casters with brakes on the front of the unit. Ensure the unit is level from side to side and front to back, then adjust the casters as necessary if this isn't the case. If the unit ships on its side or you need to lay it down to install the casters, let it rest upright for a minimum of 24 hours before plugging in and turning on. Remember, a minimum of 2 people are needed to install casters on heavy equipment.